Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on Nike mobile application, right? So it's very easy. We will just open the Nike mobile application here. Once it get open, let's say I just want to buy a shoe here, right? So I'll just go and choose any of the shoe. I'll just for example, right? And I'm just once you go here on the page, you have to select the size. For example, I will choose this size and I'll click on add to bag, right? Once I click on, you can see that the product has been added to the bag. On the top right side corner, you will see this cart icon. Just click over the cart icon there. And here you will get this option of checkout. So once I click on the checkout option, we have to of course verify this. And once I verify, it will load for very few seconds and we have to just wait. And of course it will ask for the details, right? How we are gonna pay. So guys, once you come here, you have to select your address. So you can see that basically I've added my address here. If you have already added, then you will get this continue button. Then just click on continue. And of course, you have to select the shipping and everything. And here comes the billing part, right? So billing matches the shipping address. Once we click on continue, then here we will get this option to payment for the payment, right? And if you have how would you like to pay, then it will give us the option that credit card or debit card. So if you have a Visa card, then just enter here your Visa card name on the card, then card number, month, year, and here CVV. CVV is basically the three number which is available on behind of your debit or credit Visa card, right? And once you do it, once you enter this everything details, just click on place order, right? So this is the only way where you can use Visa gift card on Nike, right? So I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.